then make a transition. He's curled. Yeah, that's right. Uh-huh.
And that's typical, Debbie. If he gets a little tired, he's going to lighten. He's going to get tend to get lighter in the hand instead of heavier.
That's it. Keep him jumping. Keep him jumping. Jumping! That's alright, I had the same problem. He's just a little tired tonight. And then make a transition and let him have a break. Get him out in front of you to make that transition. There you go. Now you can do a stretchy circle if you want. See what